When you play a 3D game, you see massive worlds, real characters, and smooth movement. But the reality is, it isn't real. Every object, every character, every movement is created from scratch. So how do developers build an entire 3D world inside a computer? Let's break it down. What is a 3D game? A 3D game is a virtual world where everything exists in 3 dimensions: width, height, depth. Compared to 2D games, you can move around, look in different directions, and interact with objects realistically. But behind the scenes, it's all just data and math. To build a 3D game world, developers combine several key elements that work together. Everything starts with 3D models: characters, buildings, and trees. All are made using tiny shapes called polygons, mostly triangles. Models are plain at first. Textures add colors, patterns, details. Lighting adds shadows, reflections, and brightness to make scenes look realistic and create the game's mood. The camera decides what the player sees and from which angle. Animation makes the game world feel dynamic by controlling how characters and objects move, like walking, running, and facial expressions. A game engine is the software that runs everything. Some of the leading game engines are Unity and Unreal Engine. They handle graphics, physics, and interactions. How Game Engine works. Games run in a continuous loop, taking input, updating the world, and rendering frames. This happens 30 to 120 times per second. Game engines simulate gravity and movement. For example, when an object is dropped, it falls down naturally toward the ground. The GPU converts 3D data into images you see on screen. Modern 3D games feature large maps, intelligent AI, realistic graphics, immersive sound, and real-time multiplayer experiences. So next time you play a 3D game, remember, you're not just playing. You're interacting with a fully simulated world built from math, art, and code running in real time. If this video helped you understand the topic, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos.